What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Whew! It has been a minute since I made a video. Holy crap. I apologize I haven't been on for a minute because this year I really took freelancing pretty serious, and I've been busy doing that and haven't had time to modify the car or let alone even go camping. I mean, I've been itching to go. Hopefully it's nice and cool now so I can go out and test, not really test, but use the window vent, the glory hole that I made, and go do some winter camping. But today we are going to install some new headlights for my GX470. Now this headlight is, I feel like it's pretty controversial because it adds some modern touches to the car. Some people like it, some people don't, but I've been itching for a new look, and I've been actually looking for this style headlight for a long time. Without further ado, let me show you guys what the headlight looks like. So this is it right here. What do you guys think? Like I said, I feel like it's a little controversial because it has these modern LED projectors that you see on a lot of newer Lexus these days, and Toyotas actually. And I don't know, I've been kind of itching for a new look, so I actually thought of this style like years ago and wanted to do it, but I never got to it. And I was searching on Alibaba, and this factory called Zhangwall factory in China actually came out with this design, and I reached out to them and they were kind enough to send me one to do an install and a review. So far I'm pretty damn impressed with the quality. I mean, I like the triple LED projectors, and obviously this infamous Lexus check. I think that adds a really nice touch. And the best part about this is it is completely plug and play. I don't want to really set it on the face, so I'm going to show you guys the plugs without breaking anything. So everything is completely plug and play according to what they told me. So we're gonna really check it out to see if that's true. But yeah, here it is. It already comes with the blackout housing. I don't know how I feel about blackout housing because I feel like the GX headlight is just so big. When you black out the housing, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like my GX is wearing mascara or something. I don't know, but I'm pretty stoked about the other features, so hopefully it looks good. I don't know, just taking a look at the build quality, it looks pretty solid, I can't lie. Let me show you guys what the back looks like. I mean, the seals look okay. I mean, if you guys have experience with aftermarket headlights, it's always good to seal these with a little bit of silicone, like the edges and stuff, like the top part and stuff, just to give it a little extra protection. If you guys are interested in these headlights, I will leave a link in the description below. I don't know if they are selling to consumers yet, but maybe if they get enough inquiries, they might figure out a way. Alrighty, so the first step is you're gonna go ahead and pop your hood, and we're gonna remove some screws we actually have to remove the bumper. So we're gonna have to remove some clips right here. And then I believe there are some screws on the side of the bumper right here. Move the clips right here, and then another one right there, and then the bumper should pop out. So let's get to it. Oh, go ahead and grab your 10mm socket and go ahead and remove the screws on the side of the bumper. So do that. The screw looks like this if you want to see. Boom. Another 10mm bolt like right in here. I don't know if you guys can see where I'm pointing, but it's like right here. So I believe just gotta remove that on both sides and it should be good, I hope. All right, so the next step is we're gonna go ahead and remove, I don't know if there's supposed to be more tabs, but I only have 3 right here. So I'm gonna remove the 3, but if you see more, I guess remove it. Just lift it up carefully, and then you can pop it out. Carefully. Boom. Oh, broke that one. Okay. Yep, broke the tab, but I'm pretty sure you can easily get these. They're pretty easy to find. After that, I think the whole bumper should pop out. I mean, all right, so once you get all those hardwares out, go ahead and carefully just pop it out from right here on the side. Just go from the inside and just give it a little bit of, you know, a little bit of sauce. We're gonna do it on both sides. Okay. And then now you just slowly work your way to remove the bumper. But you gotta be careful because your head, oh, actually I gotta be careful because my fog legs are still connected. So maybe I'll just leave it like this actually. So the reason why you gotta take off the bumper, because there's a bolt right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you gotta remove that in order to remove the headlight. So, oh, there you go. Voila, should look like this, bam. All right, we can actually work on the top now. So there is a cover right here that goes on like this. You just literally just pop it out. We're gonna remove this, and the headlight should come off. We've got to remove one more thing actually. There is this piece right here, this bar right here. I don't know, this support bar that supports the headlight. You actually got to remove this. I thought it was much easier than that. I was hoping for it to be easier than that, but looks like we got more stuff to remove. So let's go ahead and remove this, and then the headlight should come right out. Oh, okay. Never mind, you only gotta remove 3 of them because this piece is actually separate. So this piece just comes off with just 3 bolts. 2 on the side and then 1 in the front actually. So now headlights can finally be free. Just in case you guys wanted to see where the 2 bolts are at, they're actually right here, located right here. Bam. So remove these 2 right here, and then remove this one, and then this headlight bracket support should come right off, and then the headlights will come out. So I forgot to mention, this is not 100% plug and play because you do have to wire these power and ground. But for the most part, everything else is plug and play except for this part. So you just gotta plug in or wire this to the power, and I'm guessing this is the ground, and it should work. Let's go ahead and insert this in. Whew, finally clipped it in. Now you want to make sure the seals right here sit on the outside. I don't know if you guys can see, but you want to make sure the seals sit on the outside. And so far the fitments, I mean, it's decent. It's pretty good. I mean, everything lined up, and looks like all the holes lined up. So that's looking pretty good. Yeah, here's the first look what it looks like. So this is the new look, and this is the old look. What do you guys think so far? I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know, I wish the housing was black chrome like the sport headlights, but I'm not mad at this look. I think at night it's gonna look freaking good. So let's go ahead and see what we can plug up. I think this connects to the other headlight. I'm gonna see where all these connections go, and I'll plug it up, and then I'll show you guys. All right, so I don't know if I was pretty clear on the harness, but it's pretty easy. Pretty much seems like all the plugs are unique to each other, so you can't really mess it up. And obviously, so I mean, I'll still go through it over with you guys so you guys can know. Obviously the gray ones go together. The gray one's from the headlight, and this is from the OEM harness. And then 2 of them, there's 2 black ones, look like this. And on the OEM harness, it splits into 2. So the one that goes in this one is the green and gray one from the aftermarket headlight. And then the last one obviously just goes on the other one that's separate from this harness. So, and if you guys want to know the color on that one, it's brown and black. But like I said, they're all unique to they're all unique plugs, so you can't really miss it. But now we're just left with this one. I believe this one connects to the other headlight, and then that's when you have to power it with the power and ground. Woo! Right blinker? That's cool. I'll take it. All right, so there's this this wire right here that goes across, and it connects to this male side on this right here. And then the last step is you're gonna have to grab the wire from the driver's side, and you have to add power to it, and your turn signals will work. I mean, we're just testing it right now, and whoo, everything looks like it seems to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and button everything back up, and then find a way to, I guess, power that, and then we're pretty much good with the install. All right, the homie Phil is gonna help me put the fuse onto the wire so it doesn't burn out, and then he's gonna tap it straight into the battery. Bam. So, I don't know if you guys can see what's going on here. So this is pretty much the fuse. He just tapped the red wire from the headlight into this fuse line, and then pretty much just put this on the battery. And everything seems to turn on. I mean, man, I can't wait to show you guys once I get it all tidied up. But yeah, that's a little explanation. I'm not really doing it, so at least you guys have an idea what to do. If you guys aren't comfortable with wiring, just take it to one of your buddies, or if you're local in SoCal, hit up my boy MVP Off-Road. Again, appreciate him for help. All right, so just got all the wires nice and tucked. So that middle wire that bridged the two headlights, I tucked it right here, zip tied it right here to the headlight, ran it right under all the way over here, and then zip tied it here, and then bundled it up and zip tied it right here. And then shout outs to Phil. He helped me wire this with the fuse, and he got it all nice and tucked back there. And yeah, everything seems to work pretty well. I think I got all the clips back on, except for one. I think one broke. So I'm gonna have to replace this one of these days, but I guess just throw it back in. Yeah, it doesn't even want to go in. Oh, there you go. Bam. Actually, works pretty good. All right, now it's time to put the hood down, and let's see what it really looks like with everything on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and run through the lights for you. Headlights work, boom. Left, right blinker.
FH.com. Once again, try FH.com.
Just a little bit.
Future Health is not a healthcare service.
Apologize for that. Oh man, it looks so legit. What the heck is it doing? What the hell is it doing?
It's cycling itself.
Oh shit. That is so freaking funny. Oh my God, it looks so aggressive.
Maybe that is a trigger for the color.
Is it?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Tap the white, it might trigger the color.
What do you guys think? The install was pretty easy. I mean, I'm a terrible mechanic. I graduated from YouTube University, so it took me a little bit of time, but with the help of the homie Phil, shout outs to Phil again. I mean, he helps me a lot. I mean, a lot of the stuff I don't know, especially with wiring stuff, he is the GOAT. His work is top notch. So if you guys need, like, you know, installing bod lights or something like that, or huge wiring installs, hit up my boy Phil at MVP Tuning or MVP Off-Road. I'll leave all his information in the link below. And he does a lot of suspension stuff. I mean, he is pretty knowledgeable, so just let him know what you want to install. I don't know, power brakes, lift kit, any of that, hit him up. He has a Tacoma himself. It's Portals, if you guys haven't known. I do have a video of us going out to John Bull that I will be releasing. I should have been releasing that before this video, but this video will come out first. And then be sure to look out for the John Bull video where we shake down Phil's Portal axle swapped Tacoma. So I don't know. I am pretty damn stoked on it. I wanted a new look and I got it. Oh my goodness, this looks so menacing. I gotta say though, to be honest, the right side fit pretty damn good. Like, it fits almost perfect. However, on the left side, the rubber grommet is off. I couldn't get it right. I mean, I tried to pick at it. Maybe I installed it wrong, I don't know. But the fitment overall fits really good. But it's just that rubber grommet that I need to figure out. I'll figure out another time on my own. But man, with the F Sport style grille and this headlight, I'm actually pretty happy with the headlights. Woo! I wasn't so sure about the black headlight housings. I mean, I still think black chrome would look a lot better, but I'm not hating the blacked out headlight housing at all. But damn, I haven't seen my car. I've been excited about my car in so long because I haven't done much to it. I mean, this is pretty much it. But let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think? And again, I'll leave a link in the description below where to get these headlights, or if you guys have questions and stuff like that. All that stuff will be in the description below. Anyways, I'm gonna hang out for a bit, maybe take some photos and stuff like that, and go find a place to do some B-rolls and get some rolls in. Well, it is the next day now. We ran out of sunlight, so we're here now to show you guys some of the functions, but I am very happy with the way it came out. Man, the way the grille ties in with this GX460 style or this modern headlight, everything just ties in so nicely, and I'm so happy. The fitment is surprising pretty good on it. I'm pretty happy. The install was pretty simple. I mean, me not knowing how to do shit, I mean, with the help of Phil, shout out to Modded by Phil, by the way, and if you guys haven't got your MPP tune, be sure to hit him up. MVP Tuning or MVP Off-Road. I'll leave a link in the Instagram below. If you guys don't know what it is pretty much is a tune that pretty much smooths out the drivability of the car. It makes the car, really opens up the car and makes it feel less sluggish. So some of the things that it helps improves is improves starter response, smooths out the shifting, and the biggest thing is eliminates gear hunting. And in most cases, or some cases, that actually improves MPGs. So be sure to hit them up. And also like to give a shout out to Zangwell Factory for sending me the headlight for me to do a review and install video. So shout out to you guys. I'll also leave a link in the description below. But without further ado, let me show you guys what some of the functions. It's actually pretty cool. I actually got to drive it last night, and the light output is actually not bad, and the cutoff is not bad for something out of the box. Obviously, it still needs to get leveled, but I'm still pretty impressed. It wasn't really blinding anyone as far as I can see, but it was pretty decent. All right, let me show you guys the function. So this is when you unlock it, it has those nice sequential checkered lights. And then let me go ahead and turn on the headlights for you. It is pretty sick. Boom. I like how it turns blue. Watch, look at the checkered light. It dances for you a little bit. Isn't that kind of crazy? I don't know why it does that, but I hope it doesn't turn blue when I'm driving, because man, I'd be in big trouble. But and it is pretty damn bright, so I'm gonna actually move it right here so you get a better view. Wow, I just need to make it higher, I guess. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. Let me turn on the hazards for you guys so you guys can see. It dances for you, so I mean, that is pretty sick. What do you guys think? Oh my God, let me try to bring it closer so you guys can get a better view. Woo! Look at that. Bam. That's what it looks like with the DRLs on. It is pretty neat, right? Yeah, some of you guys are wondering, so I thought I'd throw this in the video so you guys can see. But that's pretty much it. I mean, that's all the functions to it. I mean, it's pretty good. Looks pretty mean, especially at night. I like that checker mark. You can really see it at night. But yeah, this concludes this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up on my Instagram or comment down below. I'll answer them for you if you guys have any questions. But if you guys like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and maybe I'll see you in the next video. I don't know, maybe 2025 I start making content again. But anyways, see you guys. Peace.